welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. So I have my helpers here, Charlie and Tanya. They're from the Lakota Nation and they're going to help me with today's Navajo Word of the Day. Since we're here at the Pit and the